I'm Andrew Banez. I live in Lleida, Spain, and I'm the director of the IT laboratories of the Scientific Park of Lleida. At this moment, with our LiquidGalaxy community and the GDG Lleida, we are working on several projects. One of the most interesting is the Dronecoria project that uses this LiquidGalaxy technology with Google Earth, Google Maps, TensorFlow, and Flutter and Android to help people to reforest wild forest that has been burned. The idea was coming to develop a drone that will help on reforest different places that has been affected by wildfires. Lot and me and the other colleagues, we run Dronecoria as a community, were very sensitive to this problem we are having today, that is the global change, the global climate change. We go to the idea of using drones for reforestation because we share with Lot and our colleagues of Dronecoria this passion for drones. We have several ways of doing that analysis. We use sometimes special RGB cameras, and we make a flight with a drone. At some point, we thought in using Google technologies like TensorFlow, and then we created a model, machine learning model. With TensorFlow, we get thousands of pictures, images of the fires. Then we train this model, and with this model, we apply this to the photos we take from an area that has been burned. In the last 3 months, next to other colleagues from Google developer groups in Spain, I've been developing lots of workshops and talking sessions to students in high schools. We have got a very good feedback on these events because different parts, for example, teachers were amazed how the students rapidly get to the point to build the drones. They never have built a drone before, of course. We have developed applications that runs on Google technologies like Android and Flutter, applications that the people that are going to the lands to reforest with our Dronecoria drones, they use these applications just to have a log of the activities. For example, knowing in what places they are launching the seeds, in what quantities. Being part of GDG Lleida, it's been an amazing opportunity for me because I grow a lot as a person, having so near other developers that have the same interest as me. So the most important message about Dronecoria is to build these world communities, and those communities will be the ones that help the world in all the places where they live.